In this video, I'll show you how to add a signature in Gmail. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open Gmail on your computer, then click on Settings. You will see it right here at the top of your screen. Then select See All Settings. Now here, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see Signature. It's going to be right under your picture. To create a new one, you're going to click on Create New. Now, Google allows you to have multiple signatures. So we have to title this one so we recognize which one it is. Let's say I'm going to be using this for work. So I'm just going to give that a title, then I'm going to click Create. And then right next to it is where I can add my signature. So you can put your name, if you find it necessary, your phone number. And then you can, of course, add anything else you want to add to your signature, maybe a quote or your address, whatever it is that you need. And after you're done, you can select your signature. And if you want to customize it and maybe change the font, you can do that right here at the bottom. Now, right here at the bottom, you're going to select the signature. So for new emails, your Gmail account will use your signature. It's going to show you, of course, the title that you picked. And if you want to use your signature for the emails that you're replying to or maybe forwarding to someone, you will select that right here as well. After you're done, simply scroll to the bottom and click on Save Changes. And now if I go back to Gmail and I try to create a new email, as you can see at the bottom, it's going to automatically add my signature. Hope this video helped you.